appropriate to your balance
Sir,
of
na pinanood natin, for the day, ang topic or village to introduce an extraordinary woman. You know,
Making an impact is a living example of what self-hope ministry and is the founder of Veritas. Join us in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
Wow. So, are you okay? Some of you are standing? Okay lang? Sige, so tatagalan natin mga 6 o'clock, no? Okay. Alright, so, it's my freedom, diba? It's my own company, it's my own. Let's have lambing, no? Lambingin lang natin. Can you just judge your seatmate if you can trust them? There's a why, that's the first question. When the who is clear, the why, the how, the what, and the when in your branding and image will now be easy. Change that, change that. Let's have a partner. From her face. So, be careful. Don't be so flattered. Aware ba kayo? You want to know how? And I have short neck. Which means, I should not. Make sure you try at home to measure your head length from here to here. Centimeters yan. You are allowed motor and same pins. Let's say may pins tayo sa baba. How much? How many percent is being retained in your memory? 85. So then, through me else. Silipin niyo where you are. Diba? Maybe don't ask it in the middle. When you are not able, you are actually erased. You notice with the quarter sizes. So with that, okay, right now, observe each other's shoes. They see. If I ask you why eye contact is important, because eye contact says I just try this, ensuring that the fingers above and below are being seen. Above and below. The overstanding. When you do that, chances are don't shake hands. So when you have your handshake and then right angle, just need to remind you that when you are presenting, so tingnan your hand, this one, okay? Remember that this is not work. And that's the one making me apply grooming. That's the one making me practice the time. And I don't know how to do it because I'm just pursuing performance. I don't know where you are now in your life. I just hope today you found that message in your heart that it's about time to communicate your purpose. Yeah. Pwede naman sa iyo ito. Which principle will you apply first and how will it impact your success? Is it still about excuses, laziness, ito lang ako, or will it not praise you but glorify the Father in heaven? So, that's how so confident I am.
You know, and then the first few months at Cool Years, kunyari yun yung naging brand.
Your transition should only be focused with your choice and not comments and feedbacks. Then let your own choices, firm choices, confident choice, eventually transition their way of not accepting, their way of seeing.
very, very good. So I hope everyone learned something from Miss Tony today.
Another one.